टिकटॉक का वीडियो तो बहुत अच्छा था, इधर ट्राई कर तू भी.
નિખિલ હસતો હોય, હસાવતો હોય, બધાને જોક કરતો હોય, બધાને લવ કરે છે ફેમિલીમાં, મને બહુ જ ગમે છે.
નિખિલ એ એકદમ કેરિંગ નેચરનો છે અને એ પૂરી ફેમિલી આફ્ટરની પાછળ પૂરતું ધ્યાન આપે છે. કોઈ બી હોય, એ હું હોઉં કે ધનજીભાઈ હોય કે જીમીભાઈ હોય, આખા ફેમિલીનું એ બહુ કેર કરે છે. એવું નથી કે આ મારું એ નથી. વેરી નાઇસ. લવ યુ નિખિલ.
The lists that I can mention about the qualities that you have is many. I will just name few. Highly resourceful, very trustworthy, and highly reliable. That's all.
Nikhil, one thing that I admire about you is that in spite of being away from all of us for so many years, you have still retained that bonding, that affection, that warmth, which makes us today also feel very close to you. And all of us gathering today to make this for your birthday is an evidence enough. Very good.
बेस्ट क्वालिटी जो सब में नहीं होता है, सबको हंसाने का. कोई भी सिचुएशन में एक वर्ड पकड़ के उसको टर्न करके कैसा उसको हंसाने का सबको, दैट इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी इन यू. नो वन विल हैव ऑल दैट. In hundreds of people, I think you will be the one only.
Very good quality about you, Nikhil, is you are a jolly good fellow.
The best quality about Nikhil you is you're always smiling, always in a good mood. I have never seen you angry. Though people are saying you always get angry very easily, but I haven't come across your anger as yet.
The thing I love about Nikhil, come on, there's ain't so much of time. એટલો બધો ટાઈમ નથી કે બધું લિસ્ટ કરવા બેસું. બટ ધ બેસ્ટ થિંગ ઇઝ વેન યુ ડ્રાઈવ અરાઉન્ડ એન્ડ મૂવ અરાઉન્ડ with me in US and wait outside the store. I love that moment.
So he's like a shopping companion, chaperone, right?
Yes, chauffeur companion available in US.
The thing that I love the most about you, Nikhil, is obviously all of us have said that how you bring so much joy to a room, like, and you become the center of attention, and you rightly deserve all that attention because you exhibute love and happiness and joy, and you just attract a lot of positivity to you. So that's one thing that I love about you.
You know, you are a monster for me always, but you are really caring.
क्वालिटी दैट आई लव अबाउट यू, हमेशा हंसते रहते हो. I've never seen you sad, never ever seen you sad, and never a tired face, always a smiling face. सबको याद करते हो, सबका ध्यान रखते हो, and yeah, that's what I'm learning from you, to be a smiling face all the time. So that is one thing I like about you.
One quality of you is you make everyone laugh all the time, which is the best quality. Rarely कोई कह देते quality मले मणि के खालाए जी. And that's it. Keep smiling and make everyone smile and happy.
A quality which we love about Nikhil Bhai is like smiling face of Nikhil Bhai. જ્યારે પણ આપણે મળી, always smiling face. That is the best quality of you, Nikhil Bhai.
નિખિલ, તારી વાત છે ને ગુસ્સો કરવાની, એ મને જરાય નથી ગમતી. અસલ પપ્પા જેવો દેખાય છે. પપ્પાની યાદ અમને આપી દે છે.
ઓફિસથી ઘેર જતા રસ્તામાં સમોસા ખાવા ઊભો રહી જાય અને ટાઈમ પર નહીં પહોંચે.
મમ્મા ટેન્શન લે,
બધા ટેન્શન લે.
એ મને નહોતું ગમતું.
એ મને નહોતું ગમે.
ક્યારની વાત છે ડેડી આ?
During the time of he was sitting in Borivali office.
હજી
ખાર
બી
રહેતો હતો ત્યાં.
હજી બી એવું કરે છે. we'll have to find out. Okay.
I can't find anything in you that annoys me except you not taking care at all of good health.
The thing about you, Nikhil, is whenever you visit India, you don't spend enough time with us.
The question, the most annoying thing I don't like about Nikhil. Nikhil, you could have started your restaurant in Mumbai, Ghatkopar. That is the most annoying thing that I really don't like about you.
Why did you start at New Jersey?
The most annoying thing about you, Nikhil, is when you are high with 2 margaritas. And I don't understand how the scotch never helps you, the only margarita makes you high. And the most annoying thing, when you get high and fight with me, that's the realest, most annoying thing I hate. Okay? So stop doing that.
The thing that I hate about you is your love for gambling. I'm never going to go out with you again. I am never going to another casino with you again. Because if I do, I think I will drag you by the collar and drag you out. Because I cannot see money being wasted. So apart from that, there's nothing else that I hate about you.
You are the most annoying creature in my life. कितना चिढ़ाता है बाबा.
क्यों चिढ़ाता है पर?
वैसे ही. अच्छा मेरी शादी से पहले नहीं मिला, नहीं तो मेरी शादी ही नहीं होने देता इनसे.
The most annoying thing about Mamu, when you are mum, when you don't have any opinion on our groups or whatever topics going on, your expert comments are needed. And why did you stop at 3 when you have such beautiful 3 kids? करते जाओ.
The most annoying thing about you, Nikhil Kaka, is your love for Shah Rukh Khan.
And your other most annoying thing is like your TikTok videos, like मैं ये करता हूँ, मैं वो करता हूँ, and all that in Gujarati stuff. That doesn't even make sense. So please stop TikTok. Those cringes are really bad.
हाँ निखिल, याद करो बांद्रा के वो दिन, क्या धमाल करते थे अपन. इधर जाना उधर जाना, अरे वाह क्या खेल खेलते थे, कहाँ जाते थे.
નિખિલ આપણે ગયા હતા હરદ્વાર. જ્યારે ટ્રેનમાં તમે લોકો બે ઘડી સ્ટેશનમાંથી ઉતરતા હતા, ચડતા હતા ને ઉતરતા હતા. મને ને મમ્મીને ને બાઈને બહુ ટેન્શન અપાવતા હતા, ચિલ્લી કરતા હતા.
Nikhil, we have a lot of fond memories, and the memories actually start from your childhood stories actually. I'm sure you remember those kind of days. Tu my man with you and Bai, always kind of debating, and then actually coming back, and within no time you are both doing kiki kuku kaka kind of thing. I'm sure you remember the story of the iron shoes with Naveen Mama telling you. Those are really maybe will get you the goose pimples actually. Yes, as you grew up, there was college ke kisse. There were like how you really entered out of queue into the American consulate. I can only remember your struggle as hardship days in early phase of your entering USA. Those memories actually must be haunting you, and you actually grew like a phoenix bird. I mean, you rise like a phoenix bird from ashes to from rags to riches kind of. Of course, there is a lot of struggle behind you for this. The part of memory what I'm sharing right now is only narrated to me and overheard. I'm sure this has definitely been there at my back of mind and our back of mind kind of thing. The most recent one is the hospitality that we got from you, Pinku, Mami and kids during our Diwali holidays in USA, taking us to those places like Washington, in and around White House, taking us to all those places like Bridgewaters, taking us to Atlantic City, making us eat all those kind of stuff which you pushed that it should go down the throat for us, and we developed that kind of a taste within shortest possible time. Those memories are actually very touchy memories, and I definitely will never forget you taking me to Sanofi headquarters in Bridgewaters, just close to the Balaji temple. That's it, really good, yeah. And there are endless list, but some of them, like those young childhood days, being naughty, being mischievous, and what you played truant with my mummy and Chaya, we remember that. Thanks.
Nikhil, I have two memorable moments that I will never forget with you. One is that I remember when you were a small kid and you used to come at our home along with my nanny and your bai to stay. At that point of time, you used to always by default chant that favorite bhajan of yours, Gnana Gangama Nane Prani Thai Re Ja Anmol. I don't remember further. That was your favorite bhajan, and you used to know full of it and sing it religiously. So I wonder if you still remember that, and if you still sing that. I feel you should be teaching your kids also that. So बाई का memory. दूसरा memory था which was the real shocker. Anna, this you played on me, a truant you played on me, was you called up my mom while I was still in the office, and you told her कि छाया दीदी, नहीं, you just told कि छाया has been kidnapped. So my mom was really scared, worried. In those days where we didn't have mobiles, we didn't have any ways to connect. I still remember that evening she walked all the way till Mulund station and was waiting at my usual time for me to come back. And when she actually saw me coming back, she was so relieved. And then I asked her what happened. She said that she got a call saying that Chaya was kidnapped. And then we were just wondering who it was, who could play such a trick, who could play such a this. And then we realized that it was you who did this, mischievous and naughty, and always make us laugh. But we can laugh at it now, but at that point of time it was really worrying. So I'll always remember that of yours. But you always keep on making everyone laugh with your style, and it keeps on reminding us of your dad. He was the same. Be the same, remain the same, and always make everyone happy and laugh. All the best.
Most memorable days that we were in US. पूरा दिन वॉशिंगटन में घूमने का, ये खाओ वो खाओ, टेस्ट तो करो, खा के तो देखो, हर बार फोर्स करके खिलाने का, न्यूपोर्ट मॉल में चलो, चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम ट्राई तो करो, बहुत याद आते हैं वो सब. कितना फोर्स करके खिलाते थे, फलाफल खाओ, ये जूस पियो, वो ट्राई करो. दैट्स ऑल. बहुत सारा है बट इतना बोल नहीं पाएंगे.
Memorable time with Nikhil was when we all cousins visited Matheran 20 years back.
The best time that we spent with you was during the Bhagwat. It was really memorable. It was a very good time that we all spent. That is what I understand, because otherwise I don't really remember where we spent common time.
The most memorable time are so many, I cannot list it down, but so this video would be seen by everybody else, especially your wife. She would be also making this as a most memorable when we both were stuck in Atlantic City and your wife was alone at home. That was the most memorable time when we had together. It was like you and me only together, nobody else. There are so many other things, but that was the best one.
But what happened in Atlantic City for people who were not with you? Can you please elaborate?
Oh, please.
Secret.
That's brother's own time. hope nothing else happened. Fine. Don't think that way, okay?
Okay.
Now cut it down.
Memory again I have of you is when you got really drunk and you called me and you cried and you said, I love you sister and tell me what I can do for you, and you and Bhaiya both were drunk and you were oozing the sisterly love. I think you should do that more often because I felt so special that day. So yeah, one of the best memories. Yes.
Okay, every meet with you, Nikhil bhai, is most memorable because you leave so many memories. A lot of bad and a lot of good too.
The most memorable moments with you. वैष्णो देवी, जितना थोड़ा बहुत याद है because I was too small. I think 3 की भी नहीं थी. But yeah, you and Papu bhai took good care of me. And हाँ, जब सेंटा क्रूज वाले घर पे आते थे तब टेरेस पे लेके जाते थे. नवीन मामा और आपकी जो मस्ती, मैजिक ट्रिक्स एंड स्टोरीज सुनाते थे जो फेक होती थी और ऐसे सुनाते थे जैसे लगता था रियल है, एंड हम मान भी जाते थे बिकॉज वी आर डाउन दैट टाइम. एंड आई सपोज अगर आज भी बोलोगे तो हम मान ही जाएंगे आपकी स्टोरीज द वे यू से इट. सो या दोज आर दी सम मेमोरेबल मेमोरीज विद यू.
The most memorable time will be the function, my Mehndi function on 12th of Feb. The way we danced on Zingard song, that was the best memory with you, Mamu. I hope to dance with you soon.
The moment of me with you is when the first time I came to US and I was very hungry, so you took me to McDonald's for a hash brown. That was my most memorable moment with you.
And my most memorable moment with you was when you had come to the Janoi and the Swami guy told us to do some puja thing running. So you caught me and Khushbu was too clumsy to run, so he fell down. So that was my most memorable moment with you that I spent. So that's about my memorable moment and Khush's. I hope you like to hear more memorable.
ભાઈ, the most memorable time spent with you. તમે આવ્યા હતા એકવાર વસઈ to meet me with જીજાજી. We spent our time with at my shop. તમને મેં થોડી બહુ ટિપ્સ આપેલી હતી. હોપફુલી તમને યાદ હોય.
And also we met on Mittal Didi's birthday.
આપણે હર ફંક્શનમાં ભેગા, હા, આપણે દીદીના બર્થડે ટાઈમમાં મળ્યા હતા. That was the best time spent ever. All memories, all memories.
The advice for you is, in future, you don't even think of coming back to India. Okay? After 60, I'll go to India, government will pay pension, this and that. Don't even think about it. Okay? Earn so much of money so that you can buy a house there which can accommodate me as well. That's my advice to you.
Alright, what about me?
Yeah. It's upon you. If Nikhil wants to get you included, he can.
Let's find out his view on this.
I am by default in.
Over and out.
निखिल भाई, इनका तो आप सुनो ही मत. देखो, हमने बचपन साथ में नहीं बिताया, टीनेज टाइम नहीं बिताया, यूथ टाइम नहीं बिताया, एटलीस्ट बुढ़ापा तो साथ में करेंगे. कम बैक इंडिया, you, me and Disha will go must chill around in some hill station and enjoy life. Pinku bhi.
One personal advice that I would like to share with you is don't have any more kids, please, because mommy will not be able to handle a 4th Nikhil Rai Kullandia addition to the family. And the other thing is, what I agree with what Mittal said, retire, save all the money, we will put it in a nice little colony on a hill station, and we will grow old, grow marijuana together there and chill.
Advice for you. I just came to know that you were planning to come back to India. Please don't. Please don't. Never ever think about it. You made your life there. Be there. Please don't come back. आओ पर वेकेशन के लिए आओ. जैसे आते हो मस्ती वस्ती मजाक, थोड़ा लंबे टाइम के लिए ना आना वेकेशंस के लिए. But yeah, don't ever think of coming back. You are there. You made your life there, and आई डोंट नो आगे जाके शायद हम सब भी वहाँ पे ही आ जाए. सो देन why would you need to come back to India? And yeah, advice for you, please so मैं जब भी देखती हूँ आप ऑनलाइन ही रहते हो. I think you hardly sleep. You need good sleep for a good health, and you have to earn lots of money, so yeah, you require sleep. So please and be as you are. You don't need to change yourself at all. Yes, that's it. Have a wonderful birthday, Mamu.
One advice for you will be, so what if you have 3 kids? So what if it's your 42nd birthday? Still keep on applying dye, okay? Kato golo lagalo, Godrej, remember?
નિખિલ, till today જે ફેમિલીની કેર કરે છે આવી જ કેર હંમેશા કર અને ઓર આગળ વધ.
Okay.
Miss you.
Hello. Sorry.
It's okay.
નિખિલ, આવી જેવો તું અત્યારે જોલી છો એવો જ તું ગમે મીટર બુઢો થઈ જા ને તો બી હસતો હસાવતો રહેજે અને તમારા ફેમિલીને પકડીને રાખજે. એ જ તારી આશીર્વાદ છે મારા.
निखिल थोड़ा पापा को इमोशनल कर दिया तूने. मेरा पापा इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है. He's become a little emotional because of you. That shows how much he loves you.
Why this is the right moment for you to go for the 4th chance.
He'll be ready to host us and give us the same hospitality very soon next year.
I recommend you advise younger generations, meet Akshay, Dhruvesh, Yash, that how you have struggled in USA and how now you have settled down. So they will also get experience from your journey and they will also follow your example.
My advice to you, it's not only mine, we all request and advise you to start a restaurant in Ghatkopar. Your New Jersey would do, but a Ghatkopar restaurant is a must.
You can commute. I have no issue.
Future advice is like, you are always successful and you be always successful. We will always pray for your success. That's it. All the best.
Bye. Best of luck for the life. Bye. Best.